everyone, welcome to Zoe's Chinese class. This class is aimed to help you to learn Chinese from zero level to be able to speak in Chinese in daily conversation. So you will learn a lot of Chinese syllables, initials, finals, and of course a lot of useful sentence structures by faster way. So today's video, let's work on the easy part of the initials. This is all the Chinese initials. You can find out it has 3 parts. And for the easy parts, there are a lot of letters. But don't worry, they are really easy. It's kind of like something, once you catch on it, you will never forget it. It will be written in your blood. So now let's unveil it. What is the secret of how to pronounce the easy part of Chinese initials? So for the first line, the first one, how to pronounce it in English and also how to pronounce it in Chinese initials. B, B. Have you found out what is the secret? Yes, there is a song. It's different. So every time, just put a sound into the letters, then you will get it. B, A, B, P, A, P, right? So now let's practice it through words. Ba, a, ba, 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 ba. Pa, a, pa, 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 害怕。Ma, a, ma, a, ma, 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 mama. F, f, a, f, a, fa, 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 头发。And now let's try the second line. Da, a, da, a, da, 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 打架。T, a, t, a, ta, 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 ta. This is a very useful word. And we're going to talk about it later when we learn Chinese sentence. It means he or she. N, a, n, a, na, 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 那些。L, a, l, a, la, 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 辣椒。Finally, let's go with the last line. G, a, g, a, ga, 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 尴尬。K, k, a, k, a, ka, 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 卡片。H, a, h, a, ha, 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 ha. Actually, this is the sounds when you're laughing. Ha ha, like that. So this is all about the easy part of Chinese initials. It's very easy, right? And also you practice the tones a lot. Have you got it? And if you want to learn more and further, you can click the video here. It's gonna teach you how to pronounce the difficult part of initials. And actually, it's not that difficult. Trust yourself, you can do it. And also, if you want to know how to use the special initials, you can click the video here. It's easy as the easy parts. Trust me. And this is all for today's video. And if you have any comments or suggestions about the easy part of the initials of a Chinese syllable, you can drop me a message here or just send me an email. So guys, keep in touch, and I'm looking forward to see you guys again. 加油!